We all want to get more done on our Macs, but Apple leaves the best stuff buried where nobody looks. But we figured out the hidden gems of Mac. We are skipping the everyday shortcuts everyone figures out on D1. Instead, we are looking at 7 secret tips and tricks for Mac that can completely change your daily routine. So let's walk through how these little changes clear up your daily friction. We often need to point out specific details in an image or a document when sharing it with others. We can use this hidden tool anywhere Markup is supported across macOS, including the Notes, Mail, or Preview applications. To try this out, open up your Notes app and click on a PDF or an image within a note. Click the small arrow next to the file and select Markup from the menu. Once the Markup toolbar appears at the top of your screen, look for the Shapes tool, which is represented by an icon showing a square overlapping a circle. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu where you can scroll down to find the Loupe tool near the bottom. When you select it, a round magnifying glass appears right over your document. We can easily drag this circle over any text or small detail we want to highlight. If you need to make the magnification circle itself larger, simply click and drag the blue handle on its edge. To change the actual magnification level inside that circle, drag the green handle instead. It's an incredibly clean way to emphasize tiny details without messing up the formatting or view of your entire document. Next, we frequently run into websites, photos, or documents where the text is just too small to read comfortably. Fortunately, macOS has a system-wide solution built right into its accessibility settings that lets us zoom into absolutely anything instantly. To turn this on, we need to open up our system settings and scroll down the left sidebar until we locate the accessibility section. Click into it, and then select the zoom option from the list. Inside this menu, we are looking for a checkbox labeled Use Scroll Gesture with Modifier Keys to Zoom. Once we check that box, a drop-down menu activates right below it, allowing us to pick a modifier key like Control, Command, or Option. Control is typically the most natural choice for daily use. After saving this preference, we can hold down our chosen modifier key and scroll upward with our mouse or trackpad at any moment. The entire screen will smoothly magnify wherever our cursor is pointing. Clicking through Safari, Mail, Messages, and project management apps one by one is a repetitive chore that slows us down. To bypass this, we need to launch the built-in Shortcuts app on the Mac. If it's not installed, it can be downloaded completely free from the Mac App Store. Inside the app, click the small plus icon located at the top of the window to start building a brand new shortcut. On the right side of the screen, you will see a search bar where you can look for the action named Open App. Drag this action into the main shortcut window on the left. We can drag this action into the workspace multiple times depending on how many applications we want to launch together. From there, click on the blue text in each action block to assign the specific apps we want to bundle together. Once all our chosen applications are selected, we can close the edit window. To make it instantly accessible, right-click our newly created shortcut in the main gallery and select Add to Dock. Now, a single press on that new dock icon opens our entire workspace simultaneously. Okay, so the standard method of pressing Command, Shift, and 4 saves an image directly to the desktop, leaving a temporary thumbnail hovering in the corner. This forces us to wait for the thumbnail to disappear, drag the file into our destination app, and then manually clean up a cluttered desktop later. We can completely skip saving these temporary files by sending our screen captures straight to the system clipboard instead. The process starts exactly the same way by pressing Command, Shift, and 4 to turn our cursor into a precision crosshair. We then click and drag to select the exact region of the screen we want to capture. Here's the critical adjustment. Before letting go of our mouse button or trackpad, we must press and hold down the Control key on our keyboard. Keeping Control held down as we release the mouse button tells macOS to bypass the desktop entirely. The capture goes straight into our clipboard without creating any physical file or corner thumbnail, allowing us to immediately hit Command and V to paste it wherever we need it. To manage multiple open windows across a single display screen, macOS actually includes an excellent window tiling feature built right in for free. It allows us to perfectly split our screen layout between 2 applications without needing extra software installed. To use this shortcut, click on the top title bar of any window and begin dragging it around the desktop as you normally would. While you are still holding down the mouse button or trackpad during the drag, press and hold the Option key down on your keyboard. The moment you press Option, a distinct translucent outline appears on the screen, showing you exactly where the window is going to snap into place. This layout guide lets you seamlessly dock an application to one half of the display and easily place a different tool on the remaining side, creating an organized workspace without any guesswork. While copying and pasting on Mac, a constant irritation occurs when we copy text from a website or document, paste it into an email or note, and it brings along all its original styling, like random fonts, colors, and links. We can permanently fix this by remapping the classic Command and V shortcut to always paste text as clean, unformatted prose. To change this system setting, open up System Settings, select Keyboard from the sidebar, click Keyboard Shortcuts, and then choose App Shortcuts from the list. Click the small plus icon to generate a new entry, and make sure All Applications is selected in the top drop-down box. In the menu title input field, we must type out the exact phrase "paste and match style" with precise capitalization and spacing for the operating system to recognize it. Finally, click into the keyboard shortcut input area, press Command and V together on your keyboard, and click Done to save the change. Now, with our default paste command, instantly strips away messy formatting everywhere. Finally, another common workplace frustration occurs when we open a template file, make a series of rapid edits, save our progress, and then realize we accidentally overwrote our original master document. But we can completely protect our master templates from accidental edits by converting them into a designated stationary pad file at the system level. To protect a template, locate the specific file on your Mac, right-click on it, and select Get Info from the menu options. Inside the information panel that appears, look for a small checkbox labeled Stationary Pad and check it before closing the window. From this point onward, our Mac will treat that master document as a locked template file. Whenever we double-click to open it, the operating system leaves the original master untouched and automatically generates an identical duplicate copy for us to safely edit and save. So, playing with these hidden macOS tricks shows how much extra performance is built right into our systems. Taking a few minutes to modify our system settings completely changes how we handle daily tasks. These built-in features help us bypass repetitive steps, clean up our visual layouts, and protect our files without requiring extra software. Try them out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.